Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another video from How to Webmaster. Today let's look at another very interesting niche as a YouTube channel. Religion or religious niche channels are surprisingly very profitable, and in today's example, this channel right here, Blessed Words, has 273 videos, 11,000 subscribers. This channel was created barely 1 year ago, already racking up 1 million views, and this channel is currently making $3,000 a month, making very simple videos. So you can come here, study the channel if you're interested in creating a religious channel, or just want to make some money, easy money with easy YouTube content. And here are the videos, and this guy or this person is cranking out multiple videos a day of just these easy text-based videos, each one about 8 minutes long, racking up those YouTube ad monies. And you can see here, let's check out the popular videos. Most popular one is 139 views 1 month ago. It's gone viral, and these are his other trending videos. It's the same exact thing, just text, probably from the Bible, 8 minutes long, very inspirational indeed. Alright, so here are the earning for this channel, Blessed Words, and this channel is definitely blessed, racking in 415,000 views in the last 28 days, making close to $3,000 with RPM or rate per 1,000 views, about $8 per 1,000 views, more or less, which is very good, very high for the religious content, much higher than a lot of the other niches. And again, this is a relatively new, a year old, and before that they only gotten about like 50 views a month. But just recently this channel has finally become blessed. In February it started picking up and trending, now making $3,000 a month. Before that they were making pennies, and lucky for them, they got the bulk amount of their audience from United States and other top richer countries. And here you can see $0 earning. And then in February, God answered their prayers and started trending their videos. They have a big female audience. A lot of the older people are watching their videos. Nice and simple text videos. The bulk amount are senior citizens, female senior citizens, where the money's at right there. So a definitely interesting take on the motivational YouTube channel niches. Check it out. I hope this gave you some inspiration and ideas if you are looking to start a religion channel or just want to start a YouTube channel that makes money. Check this channel out for some content ideas. Alright, I hope this helps, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more YouTube earning ideas. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.